Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Both caramel and toffee are based on slowly, carefully burning sugar, often with butter. But caramel is softer because it also, traditionally, includes cream, milk, or condensed milk. Toffee is basically sugar and butter, writes Bruce Weinstein and Mark Scarborough, creators of the Ultimate Cookbook series. 7 March 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Toffee is butterscotch that has been cooked for a longer period of time. Toffee begins as a base of butter and brown sugar that is gradually cooked to the hard crack sugar stage between 295 and 309 degrees Fahrenheit.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.